set up your Flodesk. You have created your form for people to start subscribing to your newsletters or to sign up for your workshops or whatever it might be. And now you need somewhere for those links to land so that way people can come to them. Okay, so my first recommendation would be StanStore. It is $29 a month. However, if you are selling product, it's the perfect option for you. So like, let's say you wanted to sell a downloadable document, or you wanted to sell a how-to guide, or you wanted to sell courses or workshops or things like that, meal plans, access to groups, things like that. If you wanted to not run a free group, but rather like an access only group where they pay $5 a month, StanStore is the best option because you can earn money directly through StanStore, while it makes it easy for them to click and purchase right there. The other second option would be Linktree. So if you want to learn how to obviously sign up with Linktree, just fast forward to this video and you'll see that too. So, okay, first, in the guide that we have for you, if you click here on setting up the StanStore, it actually gives you a discount. Okay, so now you can sign up. You get 2 weeks free. So you can try it for 2 weeks, see how it goes. And if you hate it, obviously don't continue it. And then do something free. There's also link to bios in Flodesk. I don't use them just because personally I use StanStore. StanStore you can also use for like those downloadable documents too, like for freebies. Maybe. Okay. So you're going to put in your username. This can be anything. I like to use whatever my Instagram handle is. So mine is dmilesfit, or like you can literally do whatever. Since I'm going to use Caleb's email address, I would do Caleb25. Okay, apparently. Okay, so no @ sign. Caleb. Let's just do Caleb Miles. Your name, Caleb Miles. My email address. Put that in. I'll go ahead and put it in. Okay. So it does, like I said, it charges you. You can do $300 a year or $29 a month. You'll put in your information. So, okay, so I'm gonna start my free trial. Okay, so you can put all of your categories, self-improvement, just starting out, not yet, not yet. And there, I should have skipped this. Okay. 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 So basically, it's pretty self-explanatory from here. So you're just going to add your profile picture. You can choose whatever. I like to use whatever is my Instagram picture, or you can make it different. It doesn't really matter. Confirm. You can add your social services, set up your direct deposit. So you're setting up your direct deposit because if you have someone purchase product from you, it will directly deposit it for you. So yes, next step. Add socials.